Three Mystics of My Life is a book authored by Answer Option A. Chetan Bhagat. The largest single organ of the human body is Answer Option B. Integumentary system. The fear of bees is called apiphobia. Which type of mirror is used in a rear view mirrors of vehicles? Answer convex mirror. The chemical name of baking soda is Answer Option C. Sodium bicarbonate. The cell used in mobile phones are Option A. Lithium ion cells. The branch of clinical study related to hearing, taste, and smell is dash. Answer Option D. Otolaryngology. Which is the following organization has giant panda as its symbol? Answer Option A. WWF. Name the inventor of black box flight recorder. Answer Option C. David Warren. Who among the following known as the Indian Gladstone? Answer Option A. Dadabhai Naoroji. Who is the writer of Bartaman Bharat? Answer Option D. Swami Vivekananda. Which of the following states has been nicknamed Garden Spice of India? Option C. Kerala. Who launched education reform movement among the Muslims in India? Answer Option A. Sir Said Ahmad Khan. Who partnered Leander Paes to win 2010 Wimbledon mixed doubles crown? Answer option B Cara Black. The unit of measuring distance between the stars is called. Option A light year. Cooking gas is a mixture of. Answer option A butane and propane. The IC chips used in computers are made of. Option B silicon. Milk tastes sour when kept in the open for some time due to formation of. Option C lactic acid. Who was the Indian president declared the national emergency in 1975? Answer option D Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Agenda 21 is related with. Answer option C Earth Summit. The color of cow's milk is slightly yellowish due to the presence of. Answer option A carotene. Which is the first trade union in India? Answer AITUC. Here Papa Comes is the painting of. Answer option A Raja Ravivarma. The provision of fundamental rights in Indian Constitution is borrowed from. Answer option C American Constitution. Which Veda is related to music? Answer option D Samaveda. The first law officer of Government of India is. Answer option D Attorney General. In which Indian state Konark Temple is situated? Answer option C Odisha. Who wrote the book Worshipping False Gods? Answer option A. Arun Shourie. Where are the currency notes printed in India? Answer option B. Security Press, Nashik. Who is known as the milkman of India? Answer option A. Dr. Varghese Kurian. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.